versus does. It can be tricky, right? But don't you worry, we're about to make it super simple. Let's dive in.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Grammar Clarify, where we fix your grammar in minutes. Today, we're talking about two little words that cause big confusion: do and does. Do or does? Let's make it simple. We use do with I, you, we, they. Examples: I do my homework every day. You do your best. They do the dishes. Easy, right? If it's I, you, we, they, just say do. We use does with he, she, it. Examples: he does his homework. She does yoga in the morning. It does help a lot. So with he, she, or it, always say does. How do we make questions? Start with do or does, then the subject, then the base verb. Examples: do you like pizza? Do they work here? Does he play football? Does it work? Be careful. Don't say, does he plays. Say, does he play? No S after does. In negative sentences, we use don't or doesn't. Examples: I don't like coffee. They don't drive. She doesn't eat meat. Remember, after doesn't, use the base verb. Not doesn't eats. Use doesn't eat. Practice time. Your turn. Write 2 sentences in the comments below. 1 with do, 2 with does. Great job! Now you know the difference between do and does. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more Grammar Clarifies every week. Because next time, we're learning did, the past form of do.